Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Jake Green, I'm the Head of Technical Engagement here at the Scolmore Group. And in today's video, we're going to be looking at another installation video. And today, we're going to be looking at the Inceptor B-Lite. I've got the 6-foot version in front of me here. However, it does come in a 4 and 5 foot. The one that we're going to be fitting today is a standard fitting. However, if you're looking for something a little bit more bespoke, you're looking for DALI, switch dim, corridor functions, etc. As we've spoken on many other videos before, if you see something in the catalogue that you like, and you want it in a certain style, then please get in contact with your ASM. So before we get into unboxing this, some of the features that I want to talk about is that it's got a 5-year warranty. Lots of products that we do in our ranges have that 5-year warranty. It's also IP20, it's IK8, and one of the features that we've packed into the box itself is that you've got a template here. So for your 600 center, so you can, as you take it apart, you can put it on the ceiling and mark out your fixing holes. So there's some of the features, but there is some more inside the fitting. So let's get it unboxed and have a look. So now that we've taken the packaging away for the fitting itself, we can see it's packed with lots of different components inside it. Now this is not actually the fitting that we're going to be fitting today, we're going to be fitting a standard one, but we are just going to show you what is possible with this Inceptor B-Lite. So we can see that we've got the emergency pack down the bottom here, so indicating that it's an emergency one. If I just lift that up for you there, we can see we've got the LED indicator as well, which will be green. We can also see that we've got the piano keys for our standard terminations, and then we've got another set of terminations here with another piano key, and that's for your DALI as well. So if you're looking to add these fittings to an addressable system, that's already there. Again, we have the ability to do that with this particular fitting. So without further ado, we'll get the ones that we're actually going to be installing onto the ceiling. So we've done all the unboxing. We've just stripped it apart now, the light fitting. So let's get it on the ceiling. See how easy it is to install when it comes to putting it on the ceiling. Luckily enough, these are replacements for some old fittings. The contractor who put it in before had put them in at 600 center, so perfect for our fittings that are 600 centers as well. So let's get this on the ceiling. So as you can see, look, just got one screw in there that's sort of holding it in from via one of the slots. You can see that it's nice and easy. It's because we've got this drop down that comes here. Nice metal fixings on there, so it's not just going to break off straight away. Making it very easy now to get the rest of the screws in for the fitting as well. So we're going to go ahead and do that, then we'll do the connections via the piano keys. So we've got the light fitting on the ceiling. We've managed to secure it with fixings at all ends. So we've got 2 at the ends here and then 2 in the middle. I like to spread them out throughout the fitting just to make sure it's extra secure to there. Now we've mentioned the 600 centers. We haven't used conduit on these ones here, so we haven't really any need for them. But if you're using a conduit system, absolutely perfect, and they line up dead. And you've got nice little slots here, as you can see, whereby if you need to adjust them accordingly, just because your conduit boxes are out, then they've got those as well. So we've got the nice steel cable here to keep the gear tray all in one position, so you're not up and down the ladder trying to fetch it backwards and forwards. We can see here that we've got the Q-neck connectors already for our cables that have been disconnected from the old light fitting. And now we're going to go ahead and get them mounted into the piano key. Then all that's left to do is push the fitting up, make sure it works, and then we're good to go. Okay, so that's the fitting up now. We can see that it's a nice profile, looks great on the ceiling. Let's get this turned on and see how it looks. And there it is. So that's it, that's the end of the installation video today. As you can see, we've got a number of those fittings behind us today. Simple, quick and easy. Again, the designers here at Ovia have made it nice and easy for you guys installing them out on site. So don't forget, like, subscribe and share the channel, and we'll see you on the next one. And some of the cool little features that we've packed into the box, as you can see here, is that we've got some of the features that we've got packed into it. It's got a cackling hen. You still rolling?